Alright, this is my train wreck outfit. I'm experimenting. My New York Yankees hat, my Baggu cow print. I love Bali. Muscle tee, my Eric Emanuel shorts, and I'm gonna wear Crocs, I think. LA hat, polo shirt, nice little onesie, Russell shorts, shout out Hillary, and we don't have our shoes on yet. I'm in my chaotic era.
You gonna show them what you're wearing?
Yes. I don't think they're gonna like it.
It's really good, I love it. You're experimenting.
I'm experimenting vlog. Okay, sorry, I changed. I'm wearing my jorts now. I feel like this is a little less crazy. Okay, let's go. Beep beep. Waiting for Travis and Justin.
I'm gonna say.
Once again.
Guess who's not here?
That's the tea.
Tell them about the acai bowl the time we went to
Mexico.
Mexico.
We will.
Oh my god. Is it? Let's get him on.
Vroom vroom beep beep. Camille Express is ready to go.
They're in a mosh pit in the theater and the police came.
Wait, we have to go.
I never said you were wrong.
Is this your Uber?
I am dead.
For Justin?
Justin?
Uber pool.
Let's go. Okay,
Oh yeah.
Justin, we were saying it's acai bowl.
Let's get to the airport.
Beep, beep.
You guys, you know what? It's hard for me sometimes. Let's get it together.
He's not a morning boy. Actually, you are.
Actually, yeah. Today was rough though. I don't know why. I was just kind of like, I think I was like, oh, we have so much time. Like, we're going to Times Square, and then I was like leisuring. I was like, let me make coffee. I did like my full routine this morning, and then I was like, you're like 5 minutes away. And I was like, I'm still meditating.
That's what I was like. We're like a full hour and a half later than what we said we were gonna be somehow.
I know, and then
Dirty church! People, I don't wanna go. I don't wanna.
Did you get it? Did you get the shot?
about eating. Well, turn that off first.
Okay. Hey guys, we're at the beach, Asbury Park, New Jersey. Happy 4th. It's so hot. I'm so sweaty. Yeah, I think you're clean. Let's see. Still there? Oh, bird is gone. Yes!
We found it at Target.
Oh, we should have gotten stuff for that.
Travis, no!
We all wanted it.
Travis, your turn.
Else want to go back in?
Travis, go in.
Okay.
It was
Right now?
freezing. Is it really cold?
It's no. It's like perfect for
Travis,
this weather.
you should do it.
Yeah, go in one.
I feel like you can handle it.
Let yourself go. My girlfriend is stealing an umbrella. There she goes. Woo!
Nice. Very nice. Something. I found something. No.
Is it?
Justin's having a day. No extra bird food.
Seagull on my head. Pick that up.
Be like Jersey.
Woo! Love Jersey.
How do you like Jersey?
Woo! Cool. Insane.
Insane.
I honestly can't even explain it. It's really hard. The beaches are very cold. Really cold. I don't know if I like it.
What do you want to know?
How do you like Jersey?
Jersey's great. I mean, there's nowhere else I'd rather be to like think about America, kind of its role in the world, and really like it is like a melting pot of different cultures and different speakers playing different kinds of music, and then we're all like competing for energy and sound and space and like that kind of battle, you know? That's what is America.
Yes!
I could do it.
I don't want to do that.
Hey guys, I just woke up from a nap. I guess it's over now.
Welcome to Jersey. Hey, Jersey's doesn't fucking get around.
Jersey doesn't give a fuck.
Jersey doesn't fucking get around. Jersey doesn't give a fuck. Jersey, I don't know. I kind of like it. I understand.
I feel at home here, to be honest.
Alright, bye guys. Happy 4th.
The heart of America.
Naomi. Hi guys, I did sing a karaoke song, but unfortunately no one filmed it on the vlog.
I filmed it.
Not on my camera.
Not on your.
This is still happening.
You're
I'm
okay.
having an allergic reaction.
It's okay, it's okay.
You're allergic to
No,
New
I feel
Jersey.
fine.
You're allergic to New Jersey.
I do feel sick.
You're
This
rolling.
doesn't happen to me.
You're rolling.
This doesn't happen to me. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, him?
New Jersey, I don't know. I don't know about you. You guys are crazy. The northern beaches really freak me out. There's so much weird. I don't give it. The water's cold. What? That's crazy. There's shells. There are literally rocks on the ground. Like, it's sad. The way that people are like, we're excited about the
Why are
beach.
you crying? Don't cry.
Yeah, and now I'm crying. This beach is not
I'm scared.
It's happened to me all night. What do you want? It's the same shit. Nothing new. Nothing new. All I know is I think it's like a punishment. They're like, you don't belong here.
Oh my god.
Go back to North Carolina. Go back to South Carolina.
Shania.
But you know what we like? Georgia. Except for when they tell us, I'm being too. This is too real. They're telling us.
Justin,
They
you're
don't.
crying. Justin, you're crying. I love
I'm
you
crying.
too.
I'm crying. Put some music over this. It's kind of fun.
3, 2, 1, cut.
That works.
Anything you'd like to say about Jersey so far?
Just that we're a star.
I was starving.
I feel I've never felt more powerful.
Describe your power.
Well, I wouldn't have to describe it if you guys had seen it, but you had left, so.
I had to go for a little walk.
The bench is turning red.
Anything to say about 4th of July or Jersey?
I love Jersey. Proud Jersey girl. Jersey girl.
Haven't seen